Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the EnviroVent 2 and the rolling stand. So here we go. So here is the stuff that you need to do this. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and lock your rolling stand. So put the brake on, so push the tab down. And then the adapter should go to the crossbars here, and don't worry about the flanges that they're sticking out because the kiln will hold it in place. And then for the adapter and the collection cup, this is the setup that you want. So we're going to go ahead and put it together. So the first thing you want to do is take a collection cup with this bolt and the washer and put it through the collection cup here. And then what you're going to want to do is take the spring, put that over, and then put that bolt to screw it in place. Make sure that the bolt and the washer, so don't forget the washer and then the bolt, and make sure that the spring is compressed all the way. So this bolt should be all the way down the thread for maximum compression. Then go ahead and put it through the rolling stand adapter and lock it up with this bolt on the other side. Then what you want to do is, here's the vent hole chart. So every kiln is going to have different measurements. So for ours, we need a 3/16 drill bit. Go ahead and make a hole in the middle of the slab. So that was for our kiln. Let's go ahead and do that. And then after you've drilled a hole, make sure it goes through all the way on the other side as well. Then what you want to do is go ahead and put the hose clamp on with your aluminum hose. And then do this obviously before you put the slab on, so it's easier. It's just easier to do it that way. So then make sure that your kiln is lined up with the hole that you just made for the collection cup. And then go ahead and drill the holes on the lid of the kiln. So ours required 2, so that's the locations. Go ahead and drill those out with your drill bit. So one in, here's the second one. Make sure you vacuum all the debris that comes out after you're done. And then let's work the motor blower. So if you don't have a vent like us, you need a 3-inch diameter drill bit to make a hole. So we just, like I said, use this vent, and then you want to mount it to the wall basically. So there's the outside of it, and we need to fix up the siding a little bit to make that look a little bit nicer. But then you want to go ahead and mount it to the wall. So we drilled pilot holes for all of them. These particular ones, there was wood, so we're just going to use regular screws. But the one on this left side, we need to use the toggle bolt. So that was a 3/8 drill bit to drill that hole. Make sure that you have the washer on there, or this screw is going to go right through the holder mount. So just be careful of that. Then go ahead and mount all the other screws. So the motor blower is mounted to the wall. Go ahead and put your hose clamp with the hose on this side, lock that up, and then that's basically it. So to test it, you can use a flame, and the flame should get sucked into the kiln, just like that. And that's how you know that the motor blower is working. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.